My name's Tink. I'm a fitness trainer, a fashion fanatic, family focused, food lover. I'm just soaring on this journey called life. Come spend a typical day with me, Typical Tink.
Years. And I'll give you a little bit of history of the boat that you're on. This is a 2012 custom Waterman welding catamaran. We're 49 feet in length. We weigh in at 17 tons. We are powered by twin Scania straight 6, 12 liter, 650 horsepower diesel motors. Get us right there at that 1,300 horsepower. As I was telling you earlier, she does only need 14 inches of water. That is due to a hydrofoil that we had built in South Africa. It carries 50% of the boat weight when she is up on plane. Today we're going to use right around 150 gallons of diesel fuel round trip. And when we completed this boat, she came in at a cool $835,000 to build. If you look back at
Hey guys. We are in Lake Havasu and we are about to get us some lunch. Okay. Yes, we're out here at Lake Havasu and we're about to get ready to eat. So I will take you guys with me as we tour this area. I've never done it, Lake Havasu, so we're gonna tour around. Find us a good seafood restaurant, of course. And yes, I'm wearing my fitted because it was very windy and cold on the boat. But it's warming up here. It's probably about 60, high 60 degrees or something like that. But I will see you guys once we actually get to a restaurant. Hi. We are crossing over the bridge, and this water is so pretty. It is so pretty here. And we're headed to eat seafood. Yeah, I will. The psychic. Oh, yeah. I bet you knew I was coming, huh? That's what I had to walk in and say. You knew I was coming. All right, see you guys at the restaurant. it's on video.
Why is it showing video?
I don't know what you hear.
I didn't hit nothing. It's showing video.
As me and my mom are taking our lovely, beautiful stroll through, great tour through Lake Havasu, the one thing that we've realized is that people are looking at us very strange. We did not realize it, but we are literally the only, we're wondering, well, maybe they're looking at her because, well, maybe they're just looking at her. When I tell you, we have literally been out here. Across the street. But again, it's just us. We were wondering, but yes, this is how you hang out. This is how you vacation. When you're the only